Hello, reception class. Welcome to our final English lesson of the week. And for our lesson today, we're going to have quite a fun lesson because we're going to do a quiz. So for today's quiz, you will need a pencil and a paper. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. Right, today we are going to play a true or false quiz, and it's about dinosaurs. It's about the different things that we have learnt when reading the I Love Dinosaurs book. So I am going to give you a fact, and if you think the fact is true, you're going to do a tick like that. If you think the fact is false or wrong, you are going to do a cross like that. So fact one is a Stegosaurus had a very small brain. Is that true or false? So do a tick if you think it's true or a cross if you think it's false. So pause me and make your answer. And if you did a tick for true, well done. A Stegosaurus did have a very small brain. It was as big and heavy as an elephant, but it only had a very small brain. Right, next fact. A Triceratops was a plant eater. Is that true or false? So if you think it's true, do a tick. If you think it's false, do a cross so you can pause me and answer that now. And well done if you did a tick. That was true. A Triceratops was a plant eater. Remember, another name for a plant eater is a herbivore. So Triceratops was a herbivore. Right, next fact is this reception class. A Brachiosaurus was one of the smallest dinosaurs. Is that true or false? A Brachiosaurus was one of the smallest dinosaurs. So remember, tick if you think it's true. Cross if you think it's false. So pause me and answer that. Right, and this fact was a false reception class. A Brachiosaurus was one of the biggest dinosaurs, not one of the smallest. So well done if you answered false. Right, next fact is about one of the dinosaurs that I find trickiest to say. The fact is, Ornithomimus had lots of teeth. That's Ornithomimus had lots of teeth. Is that true or false? Answer now. And this fact was false reception class. An Ornithomimus had no teeth. Right, next fact is the warmer Stegosaurus was, the faster it was able to move. Is that true or false? The warmer Stegosaurus was, the faster it was able to move. Pause me and answer now. And well done. If you did a tick reception class, this was true. The warmer Stegosaurus was, the faster it was able to move, and that was because it had the plate on its back, which they think absorbed heat from the sun to make it warmer, and then therefore to be able to make it move fast. Right, next one is an Ornithomimus was similar in size and shape to an ostrich. That's an Ornithomimus was similar in size and shape to an ostrich. Is that true or false? Pause me and answer now. And well done if you did a tick. This is true. An Ornithomimus was similar in size and shape to an ostrich. Next up, a Triceratops had long, sharp horns above its head. A Triceratops had long, sharp horns above its head. Is that true or false? Pause me and answer now. And well done if you did a tick. That is true. A Triceratops did have long, sharp horns above its head. Next up, a Brachiosaurus had huge feet. A Brachiosaurus had huge feet. Is that true or false? Answer now. That is true, reception class, so well done if you did a tick. Right, next up. The next one is a brachiosaurus was a carnivore. Is that true or false? A brachiosaurus was a carnivore. Right, well done, reception class, if you did a cross. This one was false. A brachiosaurus was a herbivore, a plant eater. Right, our final one is a stegosaurus was as big as a mouse. That's a stegosaurus was as big as a mouse. Is that true or false? Answer now. Well done if you did a cross reception class. This one is false. A stegosaurus was as big as an elephant, not as big as a mouse. Then it would have been a very small dinosaur. Right, reception, that is the end of our true or false quiz. Well done for playing along at home, and that is the end of our English lessons for this week. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, reception class. Bye.